Baramulla MP engineer Rashid, who defeated Omar Abdullah in the recently held Lok Sabha elections, has walked out of Tihar jail and reached Srinagar. Rashid, who was arrested in 2019 in connection to a terror funding case, was granted interim bail by a Delhi court on Wednesday. The bail, which ends on 2nd of October, will allow him to campaign in the upcoming Jammu and Kashmir assembly polls. Rashid is scheduled to hold rallies for his party. He's also likely to hold a mega rally in Baramulla today, marking his first public appearance since the abrogation of Article 370. Remember, the elections in Jammu and Kashmir will be held in 3 phases from 18th of September to 1st October. My colleague Yavar gets us more details.
मैं कश्मीर और कश्मीरियों को सिर्फ ये पैगाम देना चाहता हूं कि हम बिल्कुल कमजोर नहीं हैं। कश्मीर के लोगों की जीत होगी। जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग सच्चाई पर हैं और मोदी जी ने, नरेंद्र मोदी ने 5 अगस्त 2019 को जो भी फैसले लिए वो हमें हरगिज मंजूर नहीं है। उसके लिए चाहे इंजीनियर रशीद को तिहाड़ भेजो या आप उससे भी कहीं आगे भेजो, चाहे जो मर्जी है वो कर लो, जीत हमारी होगी।
Over a 12 lakh plus votes were the defeating margins, and soon after his arrival at the Srinagar airport, he was straightly driving to the Baramulla, where he is expected to hold a mega rally. In fact, outside the Srinagar airport, he said that the people of Kashmir is not going to accept the August 5 decision, that was the abrogation of Article 370, and people need not to worry because he is going to raise their voice at any cost. He also said that if the BJP will bring him back to the jail, or the engineer Rashid will be in the jail forever, he will speak for the people benefit. While as the National Conference, the PDP, they cornered engineer Rashid's policies. In fact, a lot of the speculation were roaming around after the statements were made by the Omar Abdullah. In fact, he cries foul that why the proxy candidates have been free, be it in the Badgaon, be it in the Gandarbal. And he also said that it's the engineer Rashid whose the agencies are helping them to field the candidate as well. And that was the same remarks and statement that came in from the Mehbooba Mufti. In fact, the duo politician Mehbooba Mufti and the Omar Abdullah is saying in the same language that the engineer Rashid's AIP is a proxy of BJP.